Hair is one of the most defining features of the human body. It serves several important purposes beyond just aesthetics. From protecting our skin to regulating our body temperature, hair plays a vital role in our overall health and well-being. At its most basic level, hair is made up of a protein called keratin. This protein is produced by hair follicles, which are tiny structures located in the skin. The hair then grows up from these follicles and it's made of three layers: the medulla, the cortex and the cuticle. The medulla is the innermost layer of the hair and is made up of a soft, flexible material. The cortex is the middle layer and this gives the hair its colour and texture. Finally, the cuticle is the outermost layer and this consists of overlapping scales that protect the hair from damage. So what's the purpose of hair? One of its primary functions is to protect our skin from the elements. Hair on the scalp, for example, provides insulation and helps regulate our body temperature. It also helps protect the scalp from the sun's harmful rays and other environmental factors like wind and rain. In addition to its protective functions, hair also plays an important role in communication and social interaction. Our hairstyles and hair colours can convey a lot about our personality, cultural background and individual style. Despite its many benefits, hair can also be vulnerable to damage and disease. Certain conditions like alopecia and pattern baldness can cause hair loss and affect a person's self-esteem and quality of life.